'Tis the season for friends and family to gather around. So today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy roll recipe that will knock the socks off of everybody. Come on, let's get cooking. In a stand mixing bowl, mix 3 cups of flour, 1 packet of rapid rice instant yeast, 1/3 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1½ cups whole milk that's warm, 5 tablespoons of softened butter, and 1 egg that costs $7 million. Now, with your mixer, put on your dough hook, get your bowl of ingredients, and turn it on to low until everything's incorporated. Once everything's incorporated, take it up to medium speed for 2 minutes. Once your 2 minutes are up, go ahead, turn off your mixer, and add a ½ cup at a time of extra all-purpose flour, and turn your mixer back on until the flour is all gone. We're trying to make until we get a round ball of dough. When your solid ball of dough forms, go ahead and turn off your mixer. With a paper towel and oil, go ahead and grease a second bowl, or you can use cooking spray, whatever works best for you, and just make sure that you cover all the sides and the edges. This is going to be our proofing bowl for today. Now, take your dough ball that you made and go ahead and plop it on in there. Take some cling film, put it on top, and cover it and leave it alone for 20 minutes. Make sure it's tight. And you'll see as it starts to rise, you'll, if your cling film is tight, it will start to dome on top where the pressure from the air is coming from. Once your 30 minutes are up, go ahead and take your cling film off and punch the dough with all the rage you have. Get your scale, make sure it's zeroed out and make sure it's ounces. Put a small round of dough in and make sure you get it to about 2 ounces. Now, in a greased pan, go ahead and put your dough. Now go ahead and cover again with your cling wrap for another 30 minutes. Halfway through your second proof, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. When your second proof is done, place them into the oven for 18 to 25 minutes until the tops are golden brown. While your rolls are fresh from the oven, melt some butter and brush it along the top if you would like for some extra buttery deliciousness. See how quick and easy these were? Now I have no excuse not to make these delicious rolls. If you like my video, please like and subscribe and share, and so we can keep going on more cooking adventures. Thanks, and see you next time.